Recently, electric scooters have gained worldwide popularity. Commuters love these vehicles as they offer a clean and quiet riding experience and lets riders enjoy a green way to travel on roads of bustling cities and urban areas. But unfortunately, everybody can't afford these scooters due to their high price range. So, today's video will introduce you to the top 5 best affordable electric scooters of present times with excellent features and functionalities. So, without waiting more, let's ride through the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Featuring a foldable design, top-of-the-line technology, and ensuring smooth and comfortable riding on different roads, this Hover One Alpha Pro will let you step up your transportation to a whole new level. Equipped with a 450-watt brushless motor, this electric scooter can top 18 miles per hour, and on a single charge, it enables you to ride up to 18 miles. Hence, it becomes an appropriate means of transportation for everyday commuting. This electric scooter has a heavy-duty construction, so it comes with an excellent weight-bearing capacity of 264 pounds. As a result, it becomes ideal for healthier riders as well. What sets this scooter apart from the rest of traditional scooters is that it boasts a built-in Bluetooth speaker for entertainment purposes. Besides, it's got a LED headlight, LED deck lighting, and a LED display for nighttime riding convenience. This electric scooter also features dual electric and mechanical disc brakes for sure stopping power. Finally, it is easy to carry around as it weighs only 36 pounds and is foldable for easy storage. Overall, this Hover One Alpha Pro has everything to give you a smooth ride and make your everyday commuting much more fun. Elevate your journey and experience with a powerful, smooth, and comfortable ride on almost all terrains with this Mi Electric Scooter 3, an electric scooter engineered with innovative design and industry-leading technology. Its body is crafted from aerospace grade 6 aluminum alloy, making it highly robust, durable, and lightweight, so it will withstand years of rough use without compromising its performance. Integrated with a mighty 600-watt motor, it can reach a max speed up to 15.5 miles per hour. That means it can travel from point A to point B in no time. Another impressive fact about this scooter is that it will provide you with a whopping 18.6 miles on a single charge, thanks to its powerful battery and curve system. This system recovers kinetic energy from braking and coasting to let you ride some extra miles. And to keep your ride on different terrains with various speeds, it comes with a 16-inch slope climbing capacity and 3 speed modes. Hence, cruise around the park in crowded areas or climb slopes efficiently and comfortably. Finally, it weighs only 28.6 pounds, making it convenient to transport and foldable for easy storage. All said, if you are looking for a top-quality electric scooter without breaking your bank, this Mi Electric Scooter 3 needs your consideration. Designed with flat-free tires, a state-of-the-art electric motor, and an indestructible body, the Segway Ninebot E22 is your ultimate electric scooter for the everyday ride in the great outdoors. This scooter comes with a 300-watt brushless direct current motor, which will let you ride up to 12.4 miles per hour. Not only that, it also helps you cover a maximum 13.7 miles on a single charge. The electric scooter features 3 different riding modes to let you drive faster or slower as per your requirement and road condition. It also has a 15% slope climbing capacity, making it ideal for off-road adventures. And for nighttime riding convenience, this well-engineered scooter comes with a 2.5-watt LED headlamp, which yields a high beam that can reach up to 44.3 feet. Now let's talk about its other necessary functions. This 20.98-pound electric scooter boasts patent anti-skid tubeless tires, which offer supreme shock absorption and eliminate the possibility of tire leakage during rides. In summary, with ergonomic design and well-thought-out engineering, this Segway Ninebot E22 will indeed quench your thirst for riding different routes anytime, anywhere. Zip around the city or commute to your favorite places in no time, and with utmost comfort with the help of this Hiboy S2 Pro, an electric scooter specially designed to provide extended range and power. This electric scooter is made from high-grade aluminum, making it virtually indestructible and capable of tolerating a heavy user's weight of around 220 pounds. Besides, its body has an IP54 rating, making it appropriate for riding in the harshest environment. Integrated with a 36-volt DC lithium-ion battery and a 500-watt brushless hub motor, this electric scooter can travel at a maximum of 19 miles per hour, and it can reach up to 25 miles on a single charge. Apart from that, this e-scooter comes with a cruise and speed control system, dual rear shock absorbers, 3 light systems, and 10-inch solid road tires for optimum riding performance on any route in both day and night. Finally, weighing under 37 pounds, this electric scooter promotes easy carrying, and its folding mechanism makes storing a breeze. To conclude, this Hiboy S2 Pro is packed by modern and innovative features that make it one of the most capable electric scooters of present times. Combining power and technology into one package, this Gotrax G4 is an ultimate e-scooter, loaded with all the impressive functions to power your daily commute. It has a robust and lightweight body to endure heavy loads and serve the best performance for years. Plus, due to its IPX4 rating, you can ride on various terrains, even in adverse weather conditions. Speaking of riding performance, this electric scooter comes with a 350-watt motor, which can top out at a whopping speed of 20 miles per hour. In contrast, it's got a 36-volt lithium-ion battery that delivers the required juice to let you reach up to 25 miles. And to help you ride comfortably on all routes, it functions 10-inch air-filled tires and a disc brake system. This electric scooter also boasts a digital display that provides you with current speed, cruise control, and other riding metrics. Last but not least, this e-scooter weighs about 36 pounds and is foldable so that you can carry it anywhere conveniently. All in all, with innovative design, durable hardware, and modern technology, this Gotrax G4 can surely help you unleash your riding potential while allowing you to explore the great outdoors. So, that was our list of the top 5 best affordable electric scooters, just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.